Welcome to HT Sweets UK Limited. We provide a variety of slush machines, candy floss, ice cream, popcorn, snow cone, hot dog machines, and all their parts and accessories. A variety of slush serum in more than 25 flavors. Different types of twisty animal yard simple cups are available in bulk storage. In this video we will learn how to replace the gearbox of SPM iPRO 3 mechanical Italian slush machine. First, open the screws of evaporator support back cover. Remove the evaporator support back cover. Open the screws and then remove the back panel. Open the screws and remove axial fan, then remove the slush adjustment spring and pull out the SPM gear motor. Cut the supply line by unplugging as shown in video. Replace the gear motor as shown in video and place the slush adjustment wheel back. Check and notice the switch sound. Screw tight the axial fan back. Clean the radiator as shown in video. Fix the evaporator support back cover and screw tight it. Fix the back panel and then screw tight it gently as shown in video. That's how you can replace the gear motor of SPM iPRO machine. If any part is damaged, you can order that from our website, link is in description.